Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody's, and I hope you all are keeping fine. So today I am also over the moon, and today actually I'm making this vlogging video. You must aware these days I'm not talking to anyone as well. I'm not making conversation videos because due to schedule, my schedule is much busy. That reason I don't get much time for doing conversation or making videos with anyone. But it's okay. That's the reason I'm making these videos these days. Usually I make solo videos as well. I'm trying to do consistency related to English this language. Okay, so now I would like to show you that right now where I am. Right now I'm in different place that it is we have cultivated vegetables, potatoes as well, a lot of things, a lot of related to vegetables, whatever required. So those are things we have cultivated actually. At that day, maybe 2 weeks ago, that time we had done it this work. So right now I would like to show you, I want to show you that which leaves now we are going to pluck it. Okay, so actually yesterday I wanted to make it one video especially for that reason, that which kinds of leaves we were plucking that time. But it's okay. Right now there is the one person you must aware who yesterday, day before yesterday, I mean since when I started uploading videos on YouTube channel, since then till now we were roaming as well, doing work with together. I mean my sister-in-law, my lovely sister-in-law. Okay, so right now she started working as well. Working, it means that she started plucking the leaves. I mean that one leaves. I know what we call in English language, but I would like to know from you if you have knowledge as well, if you know what we call in English language. I would like to listen to you that if you are active learner, if you are active viewers of my videos, it means that you can comment on my comment box that what we can call in English language. Here I would like to tell you one more thing is that एक्चुअली उना दो हरते दो मिता उना तुड़ी अड़ा खाना तुड़ी अड़ा अगर आप सरी आपे बढ़ाई खा इंग्लिश और सरी आपे कॉन्फिडेंस और आपे एबिलिटी मिना खा उनका ना नॉलेज. So kindly you can jot down in my comment box what we can call in English language. I mean that turi means if you don't understand, so I would like to tell you that like सरसों का तेल जो बनाते हैं उसका लीफ को क्या कहते हैं, वो उसको क्या कहते हैं. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you right now what my sister-in-law is doing right now. And behind me you can say that there are, what is that? That is tea garden. This is tea garden near to my field. Actually we wanted to cultivate in our field, but that time we didn't have much money. That reason we couldn't cultivate in our field. But it's okay. But finally we decided that after 2 years we will also do these kinds of work. I mean related to this one, I mean tea garden we will cultivate over here. Okay, it is ours field. And here also, but here these days what we are doing here sorry guys, sometimes I have cold cough, so that reason sometimes I make it like that sound. Okay, so this one usually these days we are using for, especially this field we are using for vegetables. We don't purchase from market any kind of vegetables. Okay, chili, potato, or vegetable leaves, or leaf gourd as well, bottle gourd, and lot of things bitter we have cultivated. And I would like to show you each one by one. I would like to show you. So right now what we are doing, before making you understand, I wanted to show you at that time, but I thought that let's try to give introduction of my field. Okay, so it was introduction of my field as well, what I was doing. Oh my god, you can say that, oh my god, why we have put it this one, we have put it this one, net, this one, you can say the safety net. Oh my god, who turned out over here? Okay, this net had been torn. Okay, it means that yeah, always time we have to stay here. See, now they have destroyed our net, safety net. So you can see here safety net they have here, they destroyed. So that's the reason for vegetable safety, we have put it this one. We have put it this one. At that day, father, yeah, with me, my father was there. Yeah, we were there and we were doing this work. So we have completed, and we were accepting at that day that now our vegetables or potatoes, whatever leaves is there, I mean, in this garden, so it will be not destroyed. But see, as I told you right now, that it has been see, destroyed. So it means that I will have to bring some rope, I mean 2 meter or 5 meter, 5 meter, that much length rope as well. I have to make it here. I will have to make it here. I will have to joint it over here. Okay, so it's okay. So you can see that it is a tea garden. I think you must be aware, but you come from city, it means you don't know. I'm telling you on your face, you don't know nothing. You don't have any kinds of ideas related to tea garden. But I know very well how to do, how to cultivate, what is the process we need to follow. We have to put it in, plant, in this plant. Okay, so it was tea garden. So see, that person is giving spray, medicine is giving over this tree. Okay, for worms are there for safety. From worms we have to give some medicine over in leaf. Okay, so yeah, I spoke it a lot of things, I told you a lot of things, but right now I would like to show you. I wanted to show you, but right now you can see it's my beautiful hearsay. You can see that. Who is she? Oh my God, my lovely sister. Oh my God, what is she laughing? Yes, she is plucking the vegetable leaves on edukumita aturi ada. Near the turi ada. Agar horkan khai pe babu tabe pe badai dhadiya, horban kan khai pe bape badai dhadiya. Pe it's okay. अगर आप लोग हिंदी जानते हैं तो आप लोगों के लिए भी एक क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो सरसों का तेल को बनाते हैं, ओके, सरसों का तेल को बनाते हैं, उसका लीफ है, ये लीफ है. अगर इफ़ you have good knowledge, so kindly put it my comment box, try to jot down. Okay, so right now my sister is plucking this leaf. Okay, so here you can use it passive, continuous, yeah, continuous passive. If you have good knowledge as well, if you learn it how to make it passive voice, so it means here I can use it passive. But I would like to tell you, I wanna ask you that just try to make it in passive in my comment box. If you must aware, if you learned it passive voice, so it means that definitely I'm certain that you can jot down in my comment box in passive voice. My question is that मेरी sister in law सब्जी पत्ता तोड़ रही है, just try to make it in passive voice. Okay, I will not tell you, I will not make it any sentences right now. Okay, so that one bucket we have brought for keeping that leaf inside the bucket. See, we have to put it, we have to keep it vegetable leaves in that bucket. So one person morning time came at our home as well. We were asked that kindly give us vegetable leaves. So we were asked that how many kgs you are selling. We told to that 40 kgs we are selling this leaf at 40 kgs, 40 kg per, yeah, so 40 kg per kg we are selling. Okay, so right now as I told you, and here, and one more thing here, a lot of things are there, but I don't want to show you together, and one by one I would like to show you, I would like to tell you. So it is, you can say that what is that? That is potato. It's our potato. It's our potato we have cultivated. So now it's very small, but leaves came out. It's growing day by day. But it will take time. I think within 1 month we will get it this much size, big potato from this leaf. Okay, so it means right now no need to give anything, but now it's time to give water into this potato. Okay, in this potato we have to give it a lot of water, but water from where we will bring it? Yeah, there is a machine. So we have to connect pipe. We have a lot of pipe as well. We have motor also. So we have to bring that one motor. We have to connect from there as well. We have to give water in this potato garden. Okay, so like that you can also make it. If you don't have any kind of parent, why you are worrying, why you are struggling for learning this language, try to do it like that, how I'm doing practice. Okay, I know that you are struggling as well. You are trying for learning this language, but I know that you can't learn this language. Why I'm telling? I am telling you because of you. Because many times you are watching my videos as well. Whatever I have told you, whatever I had given you, but you are not following. You are not following any kinds of process. So tell me that how you can learn it. This language, it's very difficult. You can't learn this language. I'm pretty sure that you can't learn this language. Okay, so it is our bamboo. It is our bamboo 3 years back. 3 years ago, that time my father had done it, put it. We brought this this one plant, yeah, bamboo plant from my sister's house. Okay, so over there my father brought as well. He cultivated over here. So now it became very big as well, very big garden, bamboo's garden. It is our garden, bamboo's garden. Okay, so yeah, in this video whatever I told you, just try to watch it. And I asked you one question, just try to give answer in English language. And right now give me some time as well. I will have to help my sister-in-law, because when we starting coming, so since then to till now I haven't helped to my sister-in-law. So now my time to help to my sister-in-law, because since morning we have been doing lot of work. That time we were doing, actually we brought lot of paddy, with the head. It's very tough. Oh my god, today I got tired and very difficult to work today. While walking time I'm feeling my backache over here as well, headache as well, lot of things. I'm unable to walk right now, but somehow I'm trying to walk it. Okay, so it was my, I can say that experienced that how I felt today while working time. So till now, bye bye, keep watching my videos as well, support me, supporting pe our video nyal pe our new channel do guta new the year guta new re chere gola re phailatin pe our bell icon button dabatin pe. Here I would like to tell you, all my subscribers as well, all my viewers who is watching my videos, kindly give me chance for learning this language as well, making these videos. Because I know that if you subscribe my channel, so your one subscriber will made me to do hard work, give me motivation. So kindly make it my channel ubiquitous. And till now, bye bye, have a fun as well. We will meet once again. Till now, bye bye. Yeah.